All right, guys, we're back. Had to go get my handy dandy flat bar. Oh, by the way, if anybody likes these videos, please like and subscribe. Let's go over here and do some damage. 52-ounce E-swing hammer. Never, ever, ever try to nail left-handed if you're right-handed, because that's what happens. You lose your thumbnail. Stick with the hand you're used to. Ooh, we're getting under there now. Hey, there's a nolium under that nolium. There's a nolium under that nolium. Yep. It's from some kind of magic. But he's got, don't worry, my stepdad's got a bunch of that outside. It's for a cabinet, but we're going to use it for flooring.
Shoot, it stinks in there.
It does stink under here. Do you know why it stinks in here?
Mildew.
Because I'm the shit. Alright, it's time to use my one glove that I have. I lost the other one.
Oh. Be careful.
Alright, we're getting somewhere now. Alright, if you guys are out there doing any of these projects for your mother, at this point, this is where you let her know that she needs to call a real construction worker. Come in here and finish this. There you go, Mom.
I don't think so. You take it apart and you put it back together.
It blew that pretty good, didn't it? Alright, what we're going to do is pop a line across this. Probably right here. And we're going to cut it right there. Ma, can you bend down and hold this chop box, or do I need to cut a notch in the floor? I might be able to get it right here. See if I can get it lined up.
I'm not being like my left turn toward the camera. You can forget that.
I got it.
Well, did you find your self-respect and dignity under there?
Not
please?
yet. Now, if you guys are wondering how I got such a straight line, I always use a Lufkin chalk box. Quality tools for quality jobs. Hope you heard that, Lufkin. Let me go get a saw.
Well, don't you need to stop your camera?
Huh?
You didn't pause it.
Alright guys, I know we joke a lot when it comes to remodeling. DeWalt Craftsman, can't go wrong. Simple laser level, because I just like to be accurate and cut things straight. Pretty spot on. Let's fire up this old DeWalt saw. We better come from this side. Tip number 2, make sure your battery's always charged up. Back, fully charged battery. All right, regardless, I ran over a few staples. See that right there? Don't get much straighter than that running over staples. Good quality cut. DeWalt, way to go. Let's get this piece out of there. No, I don't want it.
I was talking to Boogie.
We might need to cut that little picture.
Huh? Do what?
I might need to cut that little got floor on top of floor on top of floor. Woo. Boy, that's nasty under there. And this, guys, is why we're tearing this floor up. See all that? But don't worry, I've been doing this for quite some time. We're gonna make that brand new again. Just hang with me. Red Bull, we need it now. Oh, kidding. What? I said the Red Bull, we need it now.
Red Bull.
You know, send James a picture of this. Here's the problem.
Hang on, go video. Just send it. Okay, you can talk to him.
Alright, if you notice the problem areas right here, like so, this, that's why your floors are swagging.
Okay.
Good news is we might be able to save some money on some hangers, because the boards are running the opposite way. With a scab onto these. I might cut this one back probably to the next Raptor, which is going to be right here. So I'm going to have to pull this metal things up where the closet doors were.
Well, we ain't using closet doors anyway.
Which means I may have to go get a piece of plywood.
Why?
Half a sheet. I don't know if I got enough.
Okay.
But, so on with the job. Where's that flashlight? What am I running over? Oh, there's a Raptor. That's what I've been hitting. All right.
You see any hoarders up under there?
Yes. There's a little bit of a mess right here, but once we get this hole opened up, we can get down there and clean it back out.
Why would you want to clean it back out?
I mean, some people just don't like this shit all up under their house. D-Watt power.
If I don't see it, I ain't gonna say nothing.
Now guys, I just want to stress the point. You might notice that I'm not wearing safety glasses. Because I've been doing this so long, I have trained my eyeballs to take shards of wood in them without affecting my vision. Just wear safety glasses. Look here, Mom. This is what they had the floor setting on. You might want to send James a picture of this. See that?
Hang on, well, before you stomp it out, let me get the camera. Okay. Talk to him.
Oh, you're making a video?
Yeah.
Alright. This is what the floor was setting on, James. You might notice when you step on it, you will fall through. Don't worry. I've done this. This is my first time, but don't worry. It's like Allstate, you're in good hands. Oh, it was good right there. So, that's a plus. With the scab on right there. Actually, I'm thinking I just cut this square out right here.
Yeah, because that was the weak side, that corner.
Yeah, I can just scab on right here. Get that shit out of the way. Sorry for the lameness. I know it's a family construction with Chris. I believe you got to get all the rotted out there. It's like a tooth decay. It's a cancer if you don't.
It's like one bad apple in the bag. They'll call all of them to go bad.
Ma, you want to say something to my YouTube construction fan base? Let everybody
Hello.
and everybody This woman will highly recommend it, though. I come highly recommended by me.
He's the best.
I wouldn't say that. She gives me credit. It's because mother has to.
I don't have to. He's good at anything he sets his mind to do. He's an all-around handyman.
That's right. If you're from Marion County, need your floor remodeled, that's Tennessee. Not Jasper, Texas. Jasper, Tennessee. Look me up. That's what we're gonna do. So I can take those hangers back. I got saved them $13. Unless he wants to keep them.
Well, we'll just wait till he gets home and find out. Oh, you never know. Might need them one day.
Now I was gonna clean this hole out, but my mom says, if you can't see it, it's never there. But that's how you crawl under the floor of this hole right here. So
Oh, well, I guess you better cleaned up. You just told on yourself.
tells me whoever crawls their ass through there is gonna stumble on all this damn wood.
I thought they go in through the back
So-
there.
While I take a quick break, I'm gonna get my mom down in this hole to sweep it up and back in real good. Mop it. It's gonna look good.
I thought it went in under the floor at
Right
the
here.
back.
Well, that's the opening under the ramp.
But there's an opening under the bathroom windows, that
Yeah,
door.
but this is how you get under the ramp and come in. That's the door right there beside the steps.
Yeah, but it takes 2 hours to move all the stuff out of the way we got stashed up under there.
I'm just gonna sweep it all this way.
Okay, works for me.
Alright. Let me go see what kind of wood I got. This is gonna be a multi-part video. This is what we got right here. Now, keep in mind, my mom, James, bought this house 2 years ago. Told me it was in perfect condition. I don't know what these realtors call perfect, but to me, nowhere's near perfect. But let's see what we can do. We gotta work with what we got. Bit of a budget.